Britain will always give refuge to the people fleeing from wars and persecutions. But our visa system and our asylum system must not be exploited and abused, said the Secretary of State of Foreign Affairs of Great Britain. In this particular regard, as the Britain has observed around 470% plus of the surge in the asylum applications from year 2021 to year 2025, and a new trend that was built in itself was that most of these asylum applications were filled by the students who initially started or attained the Britain visa through student applications or by enrolling themselves in different high schools, colleges and universities, but later on seeked an asylum and attempted to gain a visa by unethical and illegal means of the Great Britain. Thus, mainly four countries: Afghanistan, Sudan, Myanmar and Cameroon. These are the four countries for which the Great Britain and their foreign policy has applied an emergency brake on all sorts of visa, and especially on Afghanistan for their work or temporary work visa as well. This development came in the context of two main reasons. The number one reason, as the Secretary of State herself put it forth, that their visa system or their asylum system was exploited and was being manipulated or abused by students and by people from these underdeveloped countries. On the other hand, the UK Reform Party that has come on their political climate or their political stage and did a survey among the people regarding how much they are satisfied or happy with this huge diaspora of people from these compromised areas coming to the Great Britain for asylum, that again used to start from a student visa or a student application form and end up applying and then eventually getting an asylum from the Great Britain, thus increasing this diaspora day by day. And as it has been in the statistics that from 2021 and 2025, 470% plus of surge has been observed. Thus, UK Reform Party has conducted a survey, and there was this anti-asylum sentiment among the common man and among the Britain national in this regard. Thus, to counter any sort of threat to his own party, the Prime Minister has taken this initiative or has launched a crackdown, in fact, immediately, and said that these four countries who are sending their students in a huge number who start up from student visa and end up seeking an asylum shall be banned, and this shall be a temporary ban or break and will be reviewed by the Home Office regularly once the cases has been relaxed, and the Home Department or the Home Office of Great Britain will again review these four countries to whether to accept their applications of students, works or asylum. Thus, this decision is going to be effective immediately from March 26, 2026, and let's see what's going to happen with these four countries, people, especially students and the people who go solely for the purpose of work, but now are going to be deprived of it because they seek asylum for unethical and illegal means, as the Secretary of State herself put it forth. Thank you.